Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally chart. Tally charts are incredibly useful for collecting and organizing data in a straightforward way. They provide a visual representation of frequencies, making it easy to see how often something occurs. We'll cover the basic principles, from setting up your chart to accurately recording observations. This method is particularly helpful when you're gathering information on the go, allowing for quick and efficient data collection without complex tools. To begin creating your tally chart, first decide what you want to count. For example, if you're tracking favorite colors, your categories would be red, blue, green, and so on. Next, draw 2 columns on your paper, label one category and the other tally. As you observe each item, make a single vertical mark in the tally column. Once you have 4 vertical marks for a category, the 5th mark is drawn diagonally across them, forming a neat bundle of 5. This grouping makes counting much faster. Reading a tally chart is quite simple once you understand the grouping. Each bundle of 5 marks with the diagonal line represents a count of 5. So, if you see 3 bundles, that immediately tells you 15. Then, you just add any individual vertical marks that follow the bundles. For instance, 3 bundles and 2 single marks would equal 17. This clear visual grouping allows for quick and accurate interpretation of your collected data, helping you understand frequencies at a glance. Tally charts have numerous practical applications across various fields. In a classroom, they are excellent for teaching children basic data collection and counting skills. Businesses might use them to quickly track inventory items or customer choices during a promotional event. Researchers can employ them for simple observational studies, noting the frequency of specific behaviors. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them a versatile tool for anyone needing to quickly gather and summarize quantitative information without needing complex software or calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.